In this video, you're gonna see how the manufacturing module works. So you can start doing some tests here in the test server. And then when we're confident on how to use this manufacturing module, we can move to the production orders in the production server. So first, you have to click here on manufacturing. Click here on manufacturing. And here, the landing page is the manufacturing orders page. So you click here on create. We already have 3 products that already have a bill of materials with the components that go into each mop. So for this example, I'm gonna select the Mr. Safe mop 12 ounces. Here we plan how many units do we want to manufacture. In this case, I'm gonna put 15 units. The bill of material is already selected because it is pre-configured for this mop. Deadline start, this is the date that we plan to start the production of these 15 mops. So in this case, I'm gonna leave today's date. The responsible person, administrator, we can choose who's the person responsible. In this case, I'm gonna leave administrator, which is me. But in the real process, we need to select the production operator or the production supervisor. We check that the company is correct, ABC Distribution. Here in miscellaneous, we have to check that the picking type selected is manufacturing ABC and the raw materials location and finished products location. In this case, we are going to take the materials from the general warehouse, and the finished good will also go to the general warehouse. So I'm going to put general in both cases. It is now done. We check that everything is good. Click here on save. Now the system is telling me that I have planned to manufacture 15 mops of 12 ounces. If I go back here to manufacturing orders, I can check that this order is waiting for availability, and it is confirmed because it's already planned. So this order can be created by the supervisor of the production process or by the store manager or someone that has the authority to program this production. So I'm gonna click again here, and now the system says raw materials not available. So it is telling me that I still don't have the materials available. So I click here and check availability, and the system will go and check if we have the materials on our inventory. Since we already have these materials, there is no problem. I already clicked, and the system reserved these amounts or these quantities from the inventory of raw materials that we have in the general warehouse. We have consumed 0 because we haven't manufactured the mops yet. If I go back here to manufacturing orders, it will still show as available in the state. It's now available and state confirmed. I click again in this manufacturing order, and here the production supervisor will wait until the mops are actually produced and click here on produce. For example, if in one day not the whole 15 units were produced, I can click here and select just 10, record production, and the order now is in progress and it is partially executed. If I click here on inventory moves, I will see how many units and how much raw materials were taken from the inventory, and the finished product is 15 units, but it is waiting availability because the order is not finished yet. So I can come here again to manufacturing orders and check the status. It's in progress. I can click here again and produce the rest. 5. Record. And if everything is good, everything will show here green, mark as done. And now this order is complete.